Guardian Unlimited.
I'm Deen Dayal Vaidya, working in Sakal Newspapers, Pune, India. We started a new project in August 2006. It was a citizen supplement. 100% articles of that supplement were written by readers. So it was a unique experiment in not only in Pune but in India. And
so what type of articles are people submitting to the publication? So what do they write about? What kind of topics did they write about?
Initially we had given some 14-15 entry points for readers. Some of them were quite interesting, like I'm proud of. It was just a feeling of in every human being that he feels proud of someone else. So we gave a chance to readers to write about the person they feel proud of. That was one avenue. The second was how do I overcome the difficulties in my life. That was one avenue, and it got a huge response. That we came to know that people want positive news and positive things to read about, because they are already mired in their own problems, day-to-day life crisis. They want to read about something inspiring. So that was a huge hit. Another was a challenging situations parents face, because in this age children are more smart, and parents don't know how to deal with the situations. Maybe as children do something that they might have not faced before, so they write about it, seek some advice from other parents. So that was another good hit article. Then
so how do they submit the articles?
Yeah, they write to us every week. We started appealing to readers before starting a supplement. We advertise them in the print media that you are going to have these avenues to write, and in fact most of the readers, it has been a 40th issue this Monday, and almost 1,000 readers have written in this supplement, and those readers are not writers. They hadn't written a single word in a newspaper before, and almost in one day maybe they got publicity in almost 0.3 million copies, and that was a huge exposure to a reader, otherwise who was on the receiving end, or rather the reading end of the newspaper. He had become a writer.
So now this is a free weekly supplement.
Yeah.
So are you supporting with advertising?
We get advertised year panels, not the big one, but I am not worried about that, because people are responding. That's
So you said it was successful. Why do you feel that the project's been successful?
It was. I feel the project was successful because not by the number of entries that I get, not number of articles, but the response I get after article is published. The response that people write to me. We in the main story we call people to write on suggestions, maybe the response, maybe to support that person who is facing the negative situation and trying to come out of it. So the response that people gave after one article is published or something published, it was huge. So the number of numerically, I won't say that it was huge, because seeing our number of copies, it was nothing, 300 to 500 response per week. But it was the emotional attachment that I found that people were mostly attached with. So they have now attachment with that supplement. It's like it's my supplement. People, even when I go outside in Pune, I see that people are reading that supplement instead of main issue. Most of the times, they talk about stories in that supplement. They talk about something that, and I was surprised that maybe when I consider that one person has written a story, maybe at least 10 families associated with him are directly attached to our newspaper after that article is published.